So, we have here probably the ugliest seats ever seen in a Jeep. We got stains. I haul a lot of car parts. It's grease. That's probably rust too. I tried upholstery cleaner on it before. That's as far as I got. Just as ugly, so didn't quite cut it. The floor's kind of bad. Over there, he's starting to look a little better. I already did that side there. I think it's a missed spot back there, but what I'm using is Plain Jane dish soap. I got one of the packets that you throw in the dishwasher, and a good little squirt of what was that? Sunlight dish soap. And not a barbecue brush, a nice little scrub brush. I take this here and scrub the bejesus out of it. Work it in all them seams, get her nice and foamy. As aggressive as you can get it. Every spot in there. Get around the front side, get all around. And I guess you can't really hurt these seats because they have seen plenty of better days. The original owner was a woman, so I don't know what the hell she's doing with it. And then you take your vacuum cleaner. Ever so gently. Really working in good. Oh yeah. Gotta do it while the soap is still wet on there. Make sure you don't miss a spot. See how it's foaming up out of that fabric. Right, a little bit better. And now we repeat till it looks good-ish. Well, there she'd be after 3 scrubbings. Don't look too bad. I can live with that, you know. Some of these parts are tricky to get with the brush, but oh well. It's a work car anyways, and carpet kind of came cleaners, and still some in there, but it's the world's better than what she was. I might even hit that again because that centerpiece is looking pretty bad still, but maybe the kids will actually ride in it now. There's one more cycle left to do, and that's with clean water. That should hopefully get the rest of it. We'll see though. Here's the worst of her. Kind of. I think the back seat was the worst, but I already kind of did that seat. This nasty old coffee stain. Whatever the heck that is down there. Kids call it ligma. Who knows? I'll give her a scrub and see what happens. The back actually doesn't look too bad. It's a consistent stain, so it's hard to beat that. If only the whole seat was black.